and Travis here from the Wolf HunterZ, and we have a reaction video for you.
Social media platforms are above. Links to those in the description box below. The next video is brought to you by Guy Whitey Corngood.
Guy Whitey Corngood bringing us another selection from Lingua Ignota called
Pennsylvania Furnace. But before we take a look at that, go ahead, hit that like button, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. Feel free to comment below.
All right, the last track we heard from her, it was super emotional, so we are gonna see what this one's got in store. This is a video.
This is a video,
So,
official video.
We have not seen a video
which
yet.
I have some information on, which I'll share in a little bit.
Oh, shoot.
Me and the dog, we die together. Within the Lord I cast off all my earthly bonds. There is victory in Jesus. Do you wanna be in hell with me? I know you wanna stop, but you can't stop.
All right, so first of all, she has a great voice.
Yeah.
I love her voice.
Her vibrato is so soothing.
Yeah. So here's an interesting thing. So she actually did all the inner and outer workings of this.
Really?
Where, yeah, so she did the videography, the editing,
Wow.
the whole 9 yards. And of course, it's her song. So this is her project. Apparently, she did it over COVID too, when I guess you couldn't do much, go many places, whatever. And she just kept it moving.
Wow.
So good job there.
Wow.
Yeah.
I also love the effect that's on her voice that makes it sound like she's in like a cathedral, you know, resounding, and I think that's beautiful.
I watched you alone in the home where you live with your family, and all that I've learned is everything burns. Do you wanna be in hell with me? I wish things could be any other way. I watched you along home where you live with your family, but one thing I've learned is everything burns.
All right, so clearly she's an artist and has
Yes.
very unique creativity. I love the outfit. I'm loving the shots, the way she's designing things, and that she's I don't know if the right word is crafty in all these different areas.
Yeah, she has an eye for, you know, the videography for these shots that she's getting with her camera, her drones, all these, you know, different shots she's getting. She just has a great eye for, you know, videography, and is just doing an excellent job with, like you said, these creative ideas. I love the pink smoke. That's awesome.
The dog, we died together.
Wow, how gorgeous is this song? And wow, the images. I mean, man, like we said before, she's just an exceptional artist. We just love seeing her creativity and just her vulnerability, and just how she is just, you know, showing the world exactly
Very
who she
unique,
is. It is exceptional. That is awesome. I love that.
Thank you, Guy Whitey Corn Good. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed hanging out, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Stay tuned, stay positive.
We love you guys, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna be